My dear brothers and sisters, St. Paul emphasized a basic gesture or exercise for all of us to seek what is above and to neglect looking what is below. There is a certain mission after seeking what is above. Ganap po ang pagtanaw sa makalangit na mga bagay kapag totoo nating napapatotoo at napapamuhay o totoo ang pamumuhay dito sa lupa. When we set and seek things above, we emplace goodness and grace here below. But on the one side, there is a danger to too much looking down below, of dwelling too much of earthly manners. And the danger is, baka hindi naman tumingala sa langit at hindi naman tunay na makatanaw sa tunay na realidad at tunay na kulay ng buhay sa bawat isa. From the basic theme of St. Paul, we can understand the words of Jesus in our gospel today. The fruit of setting what is above is to be blessed. To dwell too much on what is below is to be otherwise. The vision of blessedness in Jesus may be so different from the vision of blessedness in this world. But the reason behind why with such standard of blessedness is the truth behind it. Our blessedness is rooted in heaven. Our blessedness is to set things and seek things above. Dahil mga kapatid, madami ang nagsasabi sa kabilang banda na mapalad daw sila. Pero sa katotohanan, sa kanilang ginagawa, dahil sa hindi pagtingin sa itaas o sa langit, nakakagawa na sila ng mga hindi magagandang bagay. One could really feel blessed, but try to look how that person deals with people, and even how that person deals with God. The vertical and horizontal relationship we so call. Blessed but not transparent. Blessed but not pure in heart. Blessed but would hate people. A blessed life that is the standard of this world and not of Christ. Today we celebrate the feast of St. John Chrysostom. He was called by his people as someone with a golden tongue. He impressed and touched the lives of people with his preaching. He did his excellent part in praising God and in teaching people. But all of this became possible by seeking what is above. It was the golden rule towards a golden tongue, to seek what is above. He inspired people, he led people, he lived in holiness, he lived in truth by seeking what is above. My dear brothers and sisters, seek what is above so that we can love, be true, and be blessed here below. Dwelling too much of what is below might stray us away from focusing what heaven can do for us and what heaven can give us. We gain a prize by setting our hearts and our very self to what is above. True blessedness. A blessedness that is life-giving. A blessedness that would turn sorrow to joy, from grief to happiness, from tears to smiles, from hate to love.